As you know, Halloween is coming, meaning there's going to be a new update which might add candy. So I'm doing a candy tier list. First, we got the orange candy. It's very useful. Like if you're trying to run away, you eat it, you just fly up and they can't get you. So I'm gonna put it in A tier. Next, we got the blue candy. Not that useful. Like if you're trying to run away from someone and you freeze, you're just gonna get caught. So I'm gonna put it in C tier. Next we got the white candy. Not useful at all. It can just remove all of your stuffing. It might give you stuffing, but I wouldn't eat it, so I'll put it in C tier. Next we got the green candy. I got radiation, but it can give you, so it's like a 50-50, so I'll put it in B tier. Next we got the black candy. Not useful at all. It just makes you blind, so I'll just put it in D tier. Next we got the red candy. Fire. Well, it's not really that useful, so it's not useless, so I'll put it in C tier. Next we got the periwinkle candy. It makes you invisible, or it can just kill you, so it's like a 50-50. I'll just put it in B tier. Next we got the rainbow candy. It pretty much gives you like any effect, so I'll put it in S tier.